Guys, go with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing a GTR 50th anniversary box set from Tomica. It's got 4 cars in it. It's got the Haka, the R32, and then they didn't do the R33 or the R34, which is what I thought it was going to have. It has the GTR R35 50th anniversary, and then the Nismo R35 in here as well. I'll show you what I mean. They've got these are the cars that's in it. It gives a little bit of a description. It's all in Japanese, so I cannot read any of it. Like, I'm not joking. If you're able to, it's all in Japanese. If you know Japanese, I'll just hold this here and you can read it. But same with the back. The back's all in Japanese. They do have the Nissan licensing though, which is pretty cool. But yeah, let's go crack this open and then we will come back after. GTR 50th anniversary set from Tomica. A really nice box set. One thing that I'm a little disappointed on is they don't have rubber wheels. Now, this is a $30 to $40 set for 4 cars that I could find the price on. I mean, if you can find it cheaper, even better. But there's no rubber wheels. They got detailed headlights and taillights. Super cool. The doors open on the 32 and the 35 50th anniversary. The Nismos don't, and the Haka doesn't. Another thing, too, is I definitely was expecting it to be like Haka R32, 33, 34. But that is okay. I really like this Nismo R35. I mean, I like them all, or I wouldn't have opened it. But, yeah, I was definitely expecting it to be that when I bought it, but that is totally okay. Anyway, don't forget about the giveaway. We're trying to reach 500 subscribers, and I'm giving away a R35 Skyline, or R34 Skyline Fast and Furious, and a Mitsubishi Super T-Hunt. So if you guys want to enter into that, you have to go to my last video. I'll leave it in the description below, and comment your favorite casting, and subscribe, and you'll automatically be entered into it. And then when we hit that, I will do the draw for that. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, check out some of my other videos, and keep on collecting.